I hope you will find today's video topic is hospital environmental technology. Hospital environmental technology encompasses a wide range of system and practice aimed at creating a safe, clean and efficient healthcare environments. Here are some key aspects of hospital environment technology. 1. Air quality management. Hospital utilize advanced HVAC, heating, ventilations and air conditioning system equipped with high efficiency air filters to maintain clean and well ventilated indoor air. This system helps minimize the spread of the airborne contaminant including pathogens, allergies and pollutants. Those reduce the risk of healthcare associated infections and improving overall air quality. 2. Water management. Hospital implementation water management system to ensure the availability of the clean and safe water for various purposes, including drinking, sanitations, and medical procedures. Technologies such as water filtrations, purifications, and the disinfection system are employed to remove impurities and pathogens from the water source, safeguards patients' healthcare and compliance with the regulatory standard. 3. Waste management. Proper disposal and management of the medical waste are essential to prevent the spread of the infection and protect public health and the environment. Hospital utilize advanced waste management technology including the autoclave, compactors and sterilization systems safely handle, treat and dispose of medical waste in compliance with the regulatory requirement. For energy efficiency. Hospital implementation energy efficiency technologies and practice to reduce energy consumptions, lower operating cost and minimize environmental impact. This include this use of energy efficient lighting, heat, cooling and ventilation system, as well as the integration of renewable energy sources such as solar and the geothermal power to generate the clean and sustainable energy on site. 5. Building automation. Building automation system BAS are sophisticated control system that monitor and regulate various building systems including HVAC, lighting and security to optimize energy efficiency, occupant comfort and operational performance. Hospital use BAS to automate routine tasks, identify energy saving opportunity and ensure optimal environmental condition throughout the facility. 6. Infection control. Hospital employ advanced technologies and control to prevent and control the spread of the infection within the healthcare environmental. This includes the use of antimicrobial surface UVC disinfections and system and automated hand satisfied for patient, staff and visitor. 7. Sustainability and innovative. Hospitals are increasingly adopted sustainability initiative to minimize their environmental footprint and promote ecosystem friendly practice. This includes the implementation of green building design practice, waste reduction programs, recycling initiative and environmentally responsible purchasing practice to support sustainable healthcare operations and contribute to a healthier planet. Overall, hospital environment technology plays a critical role in creating safe, healthy, and sustainable healthcare environments that support patient healing, staff well-being, and community health. By leveraging advanced technology and best practice, hospital can enhance the operational efficiency. I hope this is enough to thank you for watching this video. Thank you.